Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how to make 5k dollar an hour selling on Amazon. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we back to our topic, how to make 5k dollar. That's because Amazon is a selling attracting nearly 50% of all online product search traffic, with more than 70% of all US consumers having bought from Amazon in last 6 months. Let's just say that when consumers end up on Amazon.com, they are very close to being ready to pull out their credit card. In total, Amazon's share of the e-commerce market is expected to hit 50% by 2022. That's in just a short 2 years. Next, and the number of third-party sellers on Amazon continues to rise even as Amazon launches additional product lines on its own. There is no better time than the present to launch your brand on Amazon or to grow your brand presence and revenue through Amazon. Let's dive into why and the how. Get in hashtag Amazon is a huge opportunity. Amazon is the future. It's time to get on board and excited about it. Don't just make Amazon part of growth strategy, make it the growth strategy for your business. I have worked with an old-fashioned manufacturer that has been business for several generations. Within 18 months they are selling more on Amazon than through their additional traditional channels. How did they do it? They did not mess around when it came on selling on Amazon. They tossed their whole product line on Amazon, identified the service they needed to outsource, and created new internal process especially for Amazon. Next is, according to recent industry figures and Statista, Amazon is the leading e-commerce retailer in the US with close 178 billion US dollars in 2017 net sales. The majority of Amazon's revenue generated through e-commerce sales of electronics and other products, followed by third-party sellers revenue, subscription service, and AWS activities. Let's look at a few sets. Electronics and media is the most relevant category with the net sales share of over 50%. Furniture and applications are the second more purchased item in 18.85%, followed by food and personal care at 14%, toys, hobbies and dye at 12.5%, and fashion at 3.4%. Next is, over 80% of net sales are generated in the United States. Canada, the UK, China, Australia are also large market at 1.5%, 1.2% and 1.7% respectively. Next is, determine your selling strategy. There are two ways to sell through Amazon. First is sell directly to Amazon. Secondly is sell on Amazon yourself. Let's break each of these down and look at the couple case studies so you can determine which is right for you. First one is sell directly to Amazon. Don't try to beat Amazon at its own game. Amazon is growing its directly catalog, so swim with the tide, no against it. Aside from Amazon becoming your customer instead of your competitor, selling directly to Amazon eliminates the job new sellers are roast at forecasting and marketing your product become Amazon duty. Also, many items sold by Amazon sell from my faster, all things being equal. There will be margin difference for FBA sellers that are not competing against Amazon here. In other words, selling unique goods on Amazon currently not already sold. There is how to make the most margin. Reread the chapter about why are selling in the last practical method to Amazon success to understand why this is. So let's see. Selling directly to Amazon puts you on the right side of the future, is easier and leads to more sales. Keep in mind, this does not mean it right for everyone, but it certainly is an option. Secondly is sell on Amazon yourself. This is not a contraction to previous section. Start by selling on Amazon yourself if you find it easier to get up and going, or use this to complete end. Use sales to Amazon. Selling on Amazon along with selling to Amazon keeps among Amazon honest and does not allow to him algorithm to lead the checkout of your products. Selling to Amazon also allows you to jump start sales of new products by giving Amazon bots the confidence that the need to start. Next is within a week of submitting the products, the company received an order of Amazon of 5 units. Although Amazon orders had not yet shipped, they still promoted the product. How to make money on Amazon? First is identify what items make sense for you sell on Amazon. Secondly is check if the items are already sold on Amazon. Number third is compile the necessary information to submit those items to Amazon. Number 4, identify the process on Amazon orders will follow. Next is search for the and implement software services that simplify these steps. Next is outsource any tasks that are not already performed and code to your business. Next is practice makes perfect. Test, learn and iterate to help drive sales. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.